Welcome, we just got the keys. We haven't moved in yet, there's no furniture, but I wanted to give you a sneak peek. I love this entranceway, it's so big. I love the staircase and the light fixture and how grand it feels. This is one of my favorite things about the house. I don't love this room. Right off the entranceway, there is a little sunken, I guess, living room here that connects to the dining room. And there's things like, I don't know what to do in this space. I definitely want to paint in here and just brighten it up. Right now, we don't have money for big things like redoing flooring or any kind of construction. So it's blooming where you're planted, making the best of it. And I would love to hear from you guys in the comments below what you think I should do to kind of make this fireplace look a little more modern. Definitely I want to change these. Maybe this is where the butthole painting goes. I don't know, but it's very exciting. And then the dining room is right off my brand new kitchen. This is my new kitchen. It isn't white, but it's this beautiful color called a new gray, which I actually really like. I think we're gonna paint the walls white. I'm not totally sure, but there's lots of spaces for lots of stools here. And eventually I want to do a breakfast nook with built-ins. That's not happening right away, but I do love this little eat-in kitchen area. So the kitchen, yeah, it's pretty. It's not huge, but I genuinely love it. And then we have this sunken family room here with the fireplace and a gorgeous view of the backyard. So I'm hoping to find like a custom sofa to go here. And this is where we're probably gonna have lots of family movie nights. So right off the kitchen, this is actually how we enter the house. Our washer and dryer aren't in yet, but we have main floor laundry with a ton of storage. And on this side, it's a whole like amazing mudroom system. Lots of like hidden cute cubbies and storage and baskets and shoes and plus a big closet. I am very excited about this space, and it has a laundry chute that connects to all of the bathrooms upstairs. This is pretty amazing. Right off the laundry room and off the front door is Joe's office. It's a little bit dark. We need to add some maybe lamps in here, but it's great. He's not gonna be in my space. He has his own office space because Joe works from home too. Now, I can't wait to show you upstairs. Come with me. This is Joe and I's bedroom. I don't love the wallpaper, but I do love the size. This is gigantic, has a great view though, and I love it because I love this bathroom. I have not had a bath in my own home in 13 years. I haven't had a bathtub. It's my favorite thing in the world. You guys, I finally have a bathtub. I'm very excited about this. This is amazing. The best part, I think, of the whole house is this walk-in closet. I mean, as an organizer, I never thought this would happen. I would never have done this myself because I'm cheap. But this house, they had just put this in, and incredible storage. It has a laundry chute. This is literally my dream closet. And I know it's weird to buy a house because of a closet, but the basement, the backyard, and this closet is the reason I bought this house. All my kids have now bedrooms on the main floor. They have their own bathroom, which is nice. But we also have a secret bonus room right up here. This bonus room used to be the attic. They refinished it, and I think this is the perfect like kids hangout room. So we're gonna put their PlayStation, we're gonna put a pull-out sofa and some chairs. They can hang out with their friends up here, and they don't have to be quiet when I'm filming or when I'm working. I feel like this house really checks all the boxes of the things that our family was looking for. This basement is the whole reason I wanted this house, to be totally honest. Not only does it have a separate entrance for Emily or if we hire someone else, but it's going to be Clutterbug headquarters. I love how big and open it is. I love that it has a little kitchenette. I don't love the floor. I want to actually paint the tile, but everyone tells me it's a bad idea. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever painted tile before. I mean, it can't make it worse, right? Okay, come with me. I want to show you my favorite part of this basement. This dark blue dungeon will be my office. Right now I share an office with Emily and I feel bad for him. Anytime I do anything, well, first of all, I'm very annoying. Second of all, anytime I do a live or a podcast, she has to be quiet. So now this space is going to be my office plus my craft room. And right over here through this door is Emily's office, which is great because it's connected to my office with a door, but we can also shut it for privacy, and she has another door to come in and out. It's nice, it's big and long. We're gonna paint it, put new floor, and kind of make it hers. And then there's actually a bathroom right out here and another room that we can make another office or a home gym. I may or may never use that home gym, but there's a possibility. It's just, I feel like this basement has so much potential and is really gonna just give me the Clutterbug privacy that we've been craving and haven't had in our old house. Right off the kitchen is this amazing patio. Outdoor fireplace. I think we're putting a TV up there. What kind of people watch TV outside? I don't know, but maybe that'll be us. The backyard is absolutely incredible though. It's 3 acres. It's kind of like wooded lots. Lots of trees. There's a little creek back there. There's a pond with 2 fish I gotta learn how to take care of. We're excited. We're excited about this home, and I'm very excited to take you along the journey while we update it on a shoestring budget, room by room. I'm gonna share with you budget decorating tips and a lot of organization. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you back here next week. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. Not a funny story. Well, maybe kind of a funny story, but Joe and I are not gardeners. We have black thumbs, not green thumbs, and we have a really big backyard that's on a floodplain, and a lot of it is like below ground level. So it's a swamp back there. It's just mud, which would be fine if we didn't have a dog that thinks water and mud is the greatest thing ever. So every time we let her outside, she immediately rolls in the mud, or she immediately goes to like a puddle. Joe also was trying to cut the grass and got his brand new lawnmower stuck, which now looks like it's coated in mud. He was over half an hour, he was stuck in the mud. So his solution is to let it grow wild, friends. Not the entire 2 acres or 3 acres, but big patches of it. We want to plant some kind of plants, maybe irises, I don't know, something that can just go and be okay in water. So we need like a water-loving perennial that we don't have to... If you know of this magical plant, let me know in the comments below. Or if you have a suggestion of something that we can do to deal with the swamp that's in the backyard. I'm going to show you. I'll show you some clips of the swamp area that I'm talking about. Anytime it rains, anytime it's just like, it never dries, and it's always Penny's playground back there. So we want to fix it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.